Hello friends, welcome to AQY's YouTube channel. This session is a part of our daily current affairs series. In today's session, we'll talk about artificial intelligence. Now, before I introduce artificial intelligence to you, let me tell you that there is this widespread perception that artificial intelligence is a threat to human civilization. In fact, Elon Musk, famous tech tycoon, he said artificial intelligence is a fundamental risk to the existence of human civilization. Now, whether it is a threat or not, it is a debatable question. In fact, I would like to know your thoughts. You can mention your thoughts in the comment section. Now, let's try to know about artificial intelligence. First, let's try to define it. See, artificial intelligence is a science and engineering of creating intelligent machines. Okay, so in a sense, it is a technique of getting machines to mimic human behavior. Okay, so let me repeat one more time that it is a technique of getting machines to mimic human behavior. Okay, now artificial intelligence, it has widespread use. We know that. And there are three things you have to understand: artificial intelligence, deep learning, and machine learning. Now, all these three concepts, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning, these have common applications. So we tend to think that all these three things are same, they are common. But actually, these have different uses. Okay, artificial intelligence is a different concept, machine learning is a different concept, and deep learning is a different concept. So let's try to understand. See, under artificial intelligence, you are getting the machine to mimic, okay, to mimic the human behavior. And under the concept of machine learning, what you are trying to do is you are getting the machines to make the decisions. Okay, so decision making is happening here. Decision. Okay, so how is it happening? So you are feeding the data, and under this concept, machine is using this data in order to make the decisions. Okay, after that we have deep learning. Under deep learning, under this concept, neural networks are used to solve complex problems. So it is a subset of machine learning. Okay, so under this concept, remember, neural networks are used. Okay, so all these three concepts are very important, and that's enough for you from the prelims perspective as well as from mains perspective. Now, one more thing. Let's talk about what India has done in the field of artificial intelligence. Let's try to know India's efforts. So, India has been putting efforts. In fact, in October, if you recall, a mega event was held. Okay, it was Raise 2020. Okay, so this was organized by Niti Aayog in collaboration with Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. So it was held in October 2020. In fact, in May 2020, Government of India launched a National Artificial Intelligence Portal of India. Okay, to promote the use of artificial intelligence. In fact, India has adopted the strategy artificial intelligence for all. Okay, artificial intelligence for all. So under this strategy, India is promoting the use of artificial intelligence, and awareness about artificial intelligence is being spread under this strategy. Moreover, there is an intent to make India the artificial garage of the world. Okay, so all these three initiatives These are important, just have little idea. Now, artificial intelligence has a wide range of applications, a wide range of use. Okay, the use of artificial intelligence in healthcare sector, use of artificial intelligence in agriculture, okay, detection of how much fertilizer you are supposed to be using, and about the climate information, weather patterns, and all these things. Okay, so there is this widespread use in agriculture, transport, retail, manufacturing, energy, smart cities, education, and skilling. Okay, so artificial intelligence is being used at large scale. In fact, it is so common nowadays. In fact, it is so common nowadays in our daily lives that we do not even realize that we are using artificial intelligence. It has become so general. See, when you type something on the Google, then you get suggestions. So how is it happening? It is happening because of artificial intelligence. Okay, so you get the suggestions. The word that you want to type, you already get the suggestion about that word. Okay, in fact, when you are using Facebook, then your Facebook feed shows the content which is relevant, or shows the content which is of your choice. So it is happening because of artificial intelligence. Okay, so all these points I wanted to discuss regarding this topic, and you can download these notes. So this topic is important for your prelims as well as mains perspective. You must have the clarity about artificial intelligence. So that's all for today's session. If you have liked this session, you can subscribe our YouTube channel for more such videos, and you can follow our social media platforms for daily current affairs content. So that's all. Bye bye.